In today's lesson, we'll be learning 10 advanced phrasal verbs. So what is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a verb of 2 or 3 words. One verb combined with a preposition such as at, on, in, or with an adverb such as up or down. Our first phrasal verb word, act on. To act on means to take action because of some information that you received. Let's practice with act on. He acted on the advice of his sister. He had to stop smoking. It's fine to feel angry with your kids, but you mustn't act on those feelings. Our second word in the lesson, our second phrasal verb, act out. To act out means to behave badly, especially if someone is angry. Let's practice with act out. My younger brother always acts out when he doesn't get to watch cartoons in the morning. My wife was acting out when I came home late for dinner. Our third word in the lesson, add up. To add up means to have an increase in an amount or something. Let's practice with add up. Studying just a few words a day will add up to a huge vocabulary base in just a year. If you don't exercise daily, this will add up to you not losing any weight. Our fourth word in the lesson, agree with. To agree with means when you think that something is the right thing to do. Let's practice with agree with. Many agree with giving money to poor people. Sarah agrees with the idea of working hard and living a good life. Our fifth word in the lesson, answer back. It means to reply rudely to someone who has more authority than you. Let's practice with answer back. I don't like children who answer back to their parents. She always answered back to her boss, especially when he was wrong. The sixth word in our lesson, answer for. It means that you are responsible for something bad that happened. Let's practice with answer for. The commander had to answer for losing his soldiers on the battlefield. The manager had to answer for the poor performance of her team. Now to the seventh word, answer to. It means to have to explain to someone why you did something. Let's practice with answer to. When I was younger, I had to answer to my father, especially when I came home late. I failed my chemistry exam. I had to answer to my teacher. He was very disappointed. Now to the eighth word in our lesson, ask after. It means you would like to know how someone is doing. Let's practice with ask after. He always asks after his father's ill health. Ron was asking after Muhammad. He hadn't seen him in ages. The ninth word, ask around. It means to ask many people to tell or give you information about someone or something. Let's practice with ask around. She was asking around her network on the best way to getting hired by Apple. We usually ask around at the office before launching a new ad. Now, the 10th and final word in our lesson, ask for. It means to speak or write to someone because you want them to give you something. Let's practice with ask for. Anna is never shy of asking for tips in becoming a better lawyer. She asked for her best friend's advice on getting married. Thank you for watching the lesson. As always, don't forget to subscribe and write your comments on the word that you've learned and that you've enjoyed the most. Until then, see you soon.